Hi everyone, today's a quick tip on how to identify or change a song's tempo using Logic Pro 10's built-in tools. Identifying a track's tempo helps if you're planning to record to a track or if you're planning to sample something. By identifying a track's tempo, you can slow things down or speed things up if you're teaching. Also, if you're not the best musician, you can technically slow things down, record it at a very slow speed, and then speed things up back in post. So you want to open a blank project and create a new audio track and make sure you have no input selected. Name your track by double-clicking. Hit Command-Shift-I or go to File, Import, and go to Audio File. Find your audio file and click Open. Logic will import your audio file. Now we want to find the beats per minute on it. So to do that, you hit I on the keyboard to bring up the information panel, and we go to Audio Effects and go to Metering BPM Counter. I've already used it before, so it's under Recent, but you can find it right there. Now Logic will load up this BPM counter that can analyze your track. To analyze it, you just hit the play button. I'm gonna lower the volume because that way it's not spiking loud for you. So we saw that Logic Pro 10 found out that this is 85 beats per minute. You can also double click the region, go to Smart Tempo and click Analyze to find the tempo. Logic will then provide you the tempo here, and you can actually change it from constant to variable. Now I like to keep mine at variable if it's more like a jazz or live band playing. I would put constant if it's more of a computer generated piece of music or if it's a piece of music played to a click track. Now to change the project tempo to that Analyze tempo, you just got to right click on the region, go to Tempo, and go to Apply Region Tempo to Project Tempo. Hit Apply, and now you have the project set to this tempo. If you go to the drop-down menu right here, you'll see that Logic has set the tempo to match according to the audio track. Now, if you're planning to record to a click track or audio file, you can get started. If you want to learn how to change a tempo, here's how to do it. Under Flex and Follow, click and set to On. Now I just got to click on this little spot here for tempo, hit the delete key on my keyboard, and it'll erase all those tempos there that Logic has inputted. Now I can go to up here and click from the project tempo menu to automatic. This will now set the tempo from the audio region to match this tempo. So right now it's set to 85, which is the original project's tempo. Now if I want this to go twice as fast, I can set it to 160. If I want to go twice as slow, set it to 40. And Logic does a great job of not trying to distort the pitch, but just elongate the music. And once again, I could set it to like 120. And there you have it. I hope you got something out of this tutorial and it helps your recordings, your projects, or even your lessons on Zoom. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, like, comment, subscribe below. I have lots more content coming. See you in the next one.